stop iPhone from automatic dimming. If you have also facing such type of issue, your iPhone brightness automatic dim, first workaround is go to settings of your iPhone and here tap on accessibility, tap on it, here tap on display and text size and scroll down, and the bottom of the page you will find the option auto brightness. Turn this feature off. If you found this feature auto brightness is turned on, then turn off. Thereafter go back to on this same accessibility page, go back and again tap on accessibility and tap on display and text size and look for auto lock. Look for auto lock. It may be not available from this page. So close this page and again tap on settings and here go to display and brightness. Tap on it and here scroll down and you will find the option auto lock. Tap on it and choose never. That's all.